Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to run a cash flow report in QuickBooks. A cash flow report is going to help to track money coming in and going out, showing your business's liquidity over a certain period. So let's get into how to get this done. The first step is to access reports. So go to reports from the left menu on the QuickBooks dashboard, and then in the search bar you're going to type statement of cash flow. And then step 2 is to customize date range. So choose the period that you want to review. Could be last month, year to date, or just choose a custom date. Once that's done, click run reports. Step 3 is to interpret reports. So the report is divided into operating activities where you have core business cash movements. You also have investing activities where you have purchases, sales of assets, and also financing activities where you have loans, equities, and dividends. A pro tip: use this report monthly to anticipate cash shortages and also combine with accounts receivable aging to see if late payments are hurting your cash flow. And that's pretty much it for the video guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.